Okay, bring him up here again. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Don't let him go, he's gone.
Come on. Go.
Okay, we'll wash you. Don't worry about getting dirty. He's gonna go in the water, Lucas.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Yeah, he wants to go home, that's why.
You let him go, he's gonna go in the water. Maybe give him a kiss. Give him a little kiss. Good kiss. See it? Do it again. Give him a little smoocher. Will you let him go?
No.
No. Wow. That's a trophy frog, Lucas.
Oh, be careful with them, okay?
His turkey other eye.
Yeah.
That's a trophy frog. Okay, let's let him go.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Spank the ground behind him. Put him on his butt. Here he goes. Here he goes.